Hello guys, in this video we see a simple app made from our Sticts UI. Okay, so simply create new, create login screen. Okay, so it's create login screen and we apply in our code and then we use how it's look in our Flutter code. Okay, so simply wait, it's create a login screen. So what tools we need? First of all, we need a switch is used to create a UI. Okay, then we go to our VS Code, go to the extension and install this extension name Codex OpenAI coding agent. Okay, this is helpful. Also provided some limits. You can use this as a free. Okay, so there is no any problem. Okay, so we go to our switch A tool and wait, it's creating UI. Okay, okay, so it's complete doing. Okay. Also we add some channel screen. Okay, so login screen is created. Okay, so we simply click on here, click on more and click on download. Then go to the move download section is downloaded. Okay, it's downloaded as a screen. So again go to the more and download. Okay, and completed. After download, go to the stage. What was the download? How is downloading it? Here, more and download. Go to the download. Wait, it's downloading. Okay, so it's done. See, each layout is estimated. Click on insert, click on edit, copy all HTML layout, go to the Codex agent and give create login screen. Okay, now wait, it's get location. Instead of this, we go to the script and see what was the status of our sign up layout. Okay, so this is our sign up screen. Okay, simply go to the here, more, download, go to the files, go to the download, wait, it's downloading or not. Okay, so it's download, then go to the file, so to the folder downloaded, go to the codex.html, go to your layout. Okay, wait, okay, so this is layout, so I simply click here, go to the here, click on insert, copy your HTML layout, copy, go to your codex agents and create sign up screen. Okay, so it's currently working on login screen. Okay, so we will wait for few seconds. It complete this task. Okay, still we go to the our finish tools and look into how to. In case you need to modify here, things, simply go to selected file, click on modify and edit. Okay, there is option like button edit with AI. Okay, there is option. Okay, in case no need, you cannot edit. Okay. Okay, here is option like edit text, like login, or you can set your app name. Okay, also option to navigation. Okay, here is a edit with AI is option available. If you do this, it automatically gives you to the name and using your you can do from the command. Okay, you need to give command like here to okay, go to our app name, edit with here, and give information like use logo of app. Simply do command and wait. It's working on WordPress. So what was you doing? We wait. Okay. Simply this is the create new screen. Let's watch its represent. Before we see what WordPress is our login screen. Okay, so it's doing login completed. Okay. Okay, so it's still working on login UI. Okay, so here what please see. This is old one, this is a new one. Okay, what was the here is a get logo. You can set as per your requirement. Okay, uh, because logo is not look good in website as per this, so it go to the center and make way more clear. Okay, you can customize as per your requirements. Okay, there is no issue. Okay, what was our status here? Okay, so login series completed. Then we go to our status list and go to the send. It's create a registration. Simply go to the main disk and share. What we run application, where is our new data? Go to here. See, oh, it's create the layout. Okay, but this look like same. See, there is option is one customer is welcome back here. Okay, so it's showing here welcome back. Text fields, forget password, sign in button, or sign in with option, Google button, Apple button, and don't have account. Okay, so there is a simple things. It's easy for you next. Okay, there is back button also as per the giveaway. Go to here. Then what was the setup? So the statement is so I am updating the registration method. So already we created one, so it's simply updating the method. Go to home screen. Wait few seconds. It completes its whole process. So it's being too much. Okay, so it's done. You simply click on sign up. If everything is look good, so as it look like good. Okay, name, email ID, password, button, all login for Apple button. Okay, I can't go into any automatically is linked login and sign up page to each other. Okay, that is good for this. So simply go to the here, and this is the layout. Okay, we are using our app. Okay, so this is helpful things. Okay, thank you for watching the video.